Hi, good morning, fellas. Good morning, good morning. Perfect play, good morning. Namak, good morning. Timbo, Francis, Trading Ever After, Matty Matt, let's go. Carlos, Nicholas, Peter Shap, good morning. NP, good morning. Vexus Trading, good morning. Oh, man. We back. We are back, boys. Oh. Back. I'm not sure how we're going to follow up yesterday's session, but let's just have a normal session today. Is that cool with everybody? I'm good with that. Let's just have a normal session. 443. That's right. That's right. Here. Oh, come on. I took a screenshot. $4.43. Right there it was. Right there it was. It will live in infamy. Normal is no fun. Wait. My pet Eskimo, you're up 20K in a PA? For goodness sake, what have you done? Oh, the clock. Thank you, NP. Alarm, gotta get that clock up. Good morning, Jen Wu. Yes, I saw. We were at 20K for a split second. I did see that. Well, I'm wondering, are we gonna go test that? Is it gonna rip it? Oh, the market is open. All right, let's see if we test that 20,000 level. Feel like we might test it, but we might be in for a little bit of a pullback before we do. Never mind. There she goes. 20,000. There she is. Yeah, dude. Apex promo. $85 lifetime activation fee for any size accounts. That's crazy. Wow, look at it rip. There she goes. 20,000. We're gonna, here we go. 20,018s. Wow. She ripping, boys. She ripping. Design, how we doing? 20K only goes up. That's right, Design. Just buy the dips. That's what we were trying to do. Oh, good morning, Roger, Sam, Matty, Matt. You're done already, Matty, Matt. Let's go. That's awesome. That is awesome. 80% sale is back on Apex and $85 lifetime activation fee for any size account. That's pretty cool. The only way they beat this sale is if they do a 90% sale yet on top of it. But that $85 lifetime activation fee is pretty awesome. Oh. Also, yeah, best coupon code according supposedly second best coupon code That is if you use NBT. I love it. All right, market. I am gun shy. So before we go any further, I do have to we gotta come clean. I gotta come clean, man. Anyone, I can't, hey, good morning, Roger. Good morning, Roger, Sam. Good morning, Nao. So we're currently, if you see this account, you might notice something that's a little bit off. Oh, I'm not quite sure I'm ready to talk about it yet. Hey, Brass Donkey, good morning. All right, we kind of ripped lower now. I'm curious. Hey, Mighty Mouse, good morning. What a day, what a day. Garrett, good morning, good morning. Hey, here's Johnny, you're on that dip. Nope, full disclosure, this is not the 443 account. Oh. I have never been so sad. I have never been so sad with losing an account in my life, in my entire being. I traded here. I didn't even do an update. If I don't do an update video, unless there's a good reason, you know, that's not good. That is usually not a good sign. But I was so upset. Dude, okay, first of all, I am so thankful. You guys have no idea how thankful I am that I turned off my trading for all of my other accounts. All of my other accounts I turned off way early in the day, okay? And I activated an eval like this. I promise you this is a true story. I activated an eval after I ended stream just so I can trade. Like I still had that itch but I decided, you know what? I'm going to activate the eval. And I activated the eval. I was going like 10 contracts on it. And I accidentally traded the 443 account. I did it. I did not mean to. And well, I mean, okay, full disclosure, I realized when I did it, about a minute after I did it, I realized what I did. And I was trading. It kind of messed me up because usually I stream on this monitor in front of me. That's the monitor I stream from. Okay. Well, I was streaming from this monitor just because of everything that happened. And then when I went to trade my eval, I did it on this monitor, and usually I do it on this one. Anyway, it doesn't, but bottom line is, yeah, I traded the 443 account on accident, and with 4 contracts, I think it was, but I did. I could have cut the trade. I could have. But then after I realized what I did, I was like, oh no. And I decided, you know what? Maybe this is meant to be. I was like, maybe this is a sign. Maybe this is meant to be. And I decided to keep the trade on, and it didn't work. It did not work out. I actually got caught here. Let me show you exactly what happened. if I can get it zoomed in here, geez. So it happened somewhere right, I think it was on this candle. No. It was right here on the EMA. So right here on the 860 level, this candle right here, that's the one that got me. And I should have taken a screenshot. I was so mad. I didn't even take a screenshot. But yeah, I literally entered right around the 73s. Somewhere right here is where I entered. And I got stopped out and blew the account somewhere right around the 37s. Oh, guys, I'm really sorry. I've never been so sad to lose an account. I had great plans for that account. We were gonna make the comeback of the year, the comeback of the century. And then I just, it was so stupid. I should have just cut it because, but as you can see, I was never really even in profit. I literally entered right here on this candle. Like this candle closed, when it closed above the body of this candle is where I entered. And I did realize that I was on the wrong account, like maybe 30 seconds after. And then I was like, I talked myself into just letting it ride and hopefully it, and now of course it just rips lower, stops me out somewhere right here. And then of course it ripped higher. You know the drill. Bottom line is, in the end, they still got me. They still got me. That account was just destined. It was just gonna. Oh, I feel so horrible about it, though. Man, I tell you, that one hurt in a different. That one hurt in a different kind of way. That one hurt in a way different kind of way, man. I was like, here's the funny thing, Design. You know what happened? I I should have just streamed it after I realized I was in the account because why not? But I kid you not. Have you guys ever had an eval? So right here, this move lower, right? See this candle? Like, we got to zoom in here. See the low of this candle? I kid you not. When the low of this candle happened, I was closely watching my drawdown, and right then we had like $12 of drawdown left. When that candle closed, like right here on this candle, we had $12 of drawdown left. I was about to lose my, and then it ripped higher, and I thought for a minute, I was like, there's no shot anyone's going to believe this. If this actually rebounds now and I get to profit, I was committed that as soon as I get to break even, I was just going to cut the trade and we would never speak of this again. But of course, it was inevitable. This candle here, I got stopped out like right here at the 39s. It was very close to the bottom. Ah, what a roller coaster of a day. When I ended stream, even though I was down 3,000 on that account, also, I went back on stream, which that was painful to watch. I went back and rewatched part of my stream. Oh my, that was painful. But I was rewatching the part where I was mowing the lawn. We were up $1,200 at one point. We had that account to like 4,000 in drawdown. I was only down like 1,200 at one point. That's crazy. I don't know if I would have closed the, I don't know if I would have closed the account or taken the trade off if I was here. It's just super unfortunate, you know. Yesterday, look at this. Like, Look at this. So right here's where we entered. And we were literally just looking for the high of the day. I had my take profit at the 976s. We went to the 52s. We were 24 points away from hitting that take profit. Oh, so it really hurt. It really hurt in a different kind of way because I mean I felt a special connection with that account. By the end of the day, I felt a special connection with that account, and then only to have it just ripped from my soul. Ah, a little part of me died. A little part of me died last night when anyway, it's a new day and it's all good. It's all good. Good morning, Black Coffee Trader. How we doing? Yeah, that's why Daryl made the promotion. He was celebrating. he made the calls. He's like, yep, Nutty got in again. Come on, go get him. Oh, man. I felt so terrible because, I had such big plans for that account. We were going to do it, man. We were going to take that account to the heavens. It was it. And then I took, so yeah, if you're just tuning in, I actually accidentally I traded the wrong account. I went and activated an eval and I was trading that eval, which I blew, by the way. Funny story. But once I had blown the account, I thought I was on the eval and and I wasn't. I was on the wrong screen. I took the trade and it wasn't. It was the 443 account. It hurt me. It hurt my soul. Good morning, Lawrence. Good morning, Spider Monkey Design. Yeah, Daryl took that account to the fuel pump. That he did. He got $85 of fuel on that one. Can you sell a quarters out of draw? Yes. For $199, I can do that. The crouton. What a roller coaster of a day yesterday. What a crazy roller coaster of a day. Oh yeah, we do have news in. Thank you, John. By the way, I also realized rewatching my stream yesterday and then having chat up at the same time where I was actually looking at chat all the time, it did make me realize how many chats I miss. I do miss a lot of chat, like that I don't respond. So I feel bad. I feel bad. All right, news is out. Looks like we're going higher. We got some barcoding going on here. Some serious barcoding right here. Yep, you can now get a 50K. The deal, the new promotion is $85 lifetime activation fee for all account sizes, but it ends next, next Wednesday? So yeah, that is only good until next Wednesday. All right, now it looks like we might be going lower. Oh, I see Black Coffee. Let's go. Is the 1 day pass thing still on? Yes, it is. Habitual sale extenders. TCG Andy, good morning. Good morning. YM did not appreciate the news. Wow. Oh, I see. Oh my God. YM is serious when it makes a move. Jeez. That is one big wick. Hey, Diego, good morning. Pump and iron trader. Good until Kellyanne signs up for affiliate. You guys are too funny. All right, market looking like it just kind of slowly pulling. All right, market trying to put in the bottom here, maybe. How many 11s and 7s? Very funny, Sir Hal. Very funny. I didn't even know what you were trying to say. You're misspelling 11 and 7. It's not that hard. Wait, is there more news at 10? Hang on. What is today? Thursday. 10 o'clock, consumer confidence, existing home sales. All right. Oh, okay. Existing home sales is for the U.S. So I don't think that's going to move the market a lot, but maybe a little bit. We do have to have an official ceremony this morning. I do feel like we need to have an official ceremony this morning, just so everyone can get closure. I hate to do this, but I feel like it's the right thing to do at this point. My guy Nutty trying to get some of his Patrick cash. What? How? I've been trying to get that money for a year almost. It doesn't seem like it's going to happen. But we need to do an official ceremony here, guys. We need to do it. John, I didn't. John, I assume, John, did you delete or did you put Patrick in timeout? Because I was looking, actually, he wasn't banned. He was at one point, but I guess I unbanned him at some point. So, but I think if you hide the message in the live chat, it'll automatically delete it in the replay chat. So I saw but I went back and I saw when everyone started typing, Patrick is here, blah, blah, blah. So I do believe that he was there. I just couldn't see it. What did he say? What was his actual comment? And did he comment more than once, or like what was it about? I was too upset at the time. I wasn't even looking at chat when that happened. Design was the first one to say, "Where's the 800?" And then I saw that. I mean, the poor guy. The guy's got to know that's going to come up if he makes an appearance. He offered me a trading course. Okay. What a troll. What a troll. I'll make a deal with him. Once he has more in payouts than I do, then maybe I'll consider it. Yeah, he was trolling. Whatever. I saw the comment then from only prop firms, so that must have been the alt account. I did see that comment. I was at my worst point. I'm sure it was just a coincidence, John. I'm sure it was just a coincidence. Hey, good morning, least estimator. Good morning. How we doing? All right. I do feel like let's get this over with. Let's get this over with, everybody. I'm gonna switch screens here. And we need to do a ceremony here. We need to have an official ceremony for the 443 account. All right. As you can see, this is it. This is the account that the infamous, and appreciate the memories that it gave us. It is very sad to see it go. I'm very, very sad, but it did not survive. It did not survive, unfortunately. So we are going to officially eliminate this account. And I feel I have never felt this terrible about losing an account than I did yesterday. Man, that was... Oh, they should allow like one undo button per year for your trading. Like, just, it's like a 1 year you get a mulligan. You'd only use it once a year. I would have definitely used it on this account. Do we have whalers at funerals? No, we do not. Oh. So, everybody say their last words. Yeah, all that for nothing. I know, design. I know. I'm sad about it. Very shameless. That's right, Junior Harry. And the account is officially no longer with us. Thanks for playing. It was fun. We need a once a year mulligan. I'm telling you. Prop firms should allow it. They should allow one mulligan per year. Okay? You can only use it one time. You can only use it for one account. And that's it. You only get one per year, one account only, and that's a mulligan. It's a do-over. It's a, oops, my bad. I didn't mean to do that. Redo account resets to the prior day balance. Let's speak that into existence somehow. But you know what? It is what it is. We are moving on. We are moving on. We are moving on, folks. Onwards and upwards. Yeah, you did. I know, Trading Ever After. I know. It's all good. See, sometimes, sometimes you just got to get it out. Yesterday, I knew I was at a point where there was no turning back. There ain't no turning back. And I just was not about, thankfully, only one account was ruined. Only one. That's the key. But sometimes you just got to nuke an account, if you know what I mean. What did I do yesterday, Saral? You got to go. I cannot explain to you in words. I cannot explain to you in words what happened yesterday, but I'll try. I'll make a long story short. I had a 250K account. I went on tilt, and we just went full degen mode. And at one point, we were $4.43 away from blowing the account. And we got it back all the way up to $4,000 in drawdown at one point. Only to then off stream, I accidentally trade that account and I end up blowing the account when I ended stream. I might have cried a little bit. I might have actually shed a couple tears on that one. Very few accounts. But it was a great time. We did have a decent, I feel like I felt a special connection with that account, man. I really did. We had something. Accidentally traded the account. Hey, I'm not kidding. I activated it. I knew people are not, it doesn't even matter. I had plenty of opportunity to get out of the account. When I realized that I was trading the wrong account, I had plenty of time to hit the exit button, and I chose not to. So it doesn't even matter if it was accidental or not. Oh, but I know it sucked. That much I can tell you with 100% certainty. Oh. Junior Harry. Junior. Whoa, everybody hold the fort. Whoa, 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 whoa. Wait. Junior Harry, hang on, mods. I want to see what this. Hang on, mods. I did not know. We have a genius among the chat. Would you look at this? Junior Harry. Wow. He must have deleted his message. Junior Harry is saying he figured out the market. Let's go, Junior Harry. Warren Buffett #2. Let's go. He has officially figured out the market. I love it, man. I love it. Figured out the market. Oh, no, he didn't. Now he's deleted all his messages. Come on, Junior Harry. You can't be stating facts like that and then deleting your comments. Come on, man. You got to have more conviction than that. You're going to state that you figured out the market and just disappear on me like that? Why you be like that? Why are you deleting your messages? We need to know. Can you please teach us? No, we need to see this. We need... Oh, don't... Oh. Man. I wanted to have some fun with him. I need some entertainment value. You watched the stream since 1 month in silence, but I don't understand how you get 20 funded accounts. How do you mean? You pass 20 evals and you turn them into funded accounts. That's how you do it. He typed in the wrong chat. Same as I traded the wrong account. Uh-oh. I've been doing this for 5 years and somebody figured it out. I know. I was like, we have been... Wow, this market looks like it's trying to put me on tilt again today. Not going to work. I'm too happy to go on tilt today. How many accounts had you need to get to that payout? Can you... I think having brought like 800 plus accounts. I mean, main thing, you slow down, take it. I mean, first of all, I went over a year of trading with prop firms and not getting well, I did get some payouts, but very minimal. It took me a year before I got significant payouts. So my biggest fault in that time was I was trying to get 20 accounts, and I was using a copy trader, and I should not have been using a copy trader. Using a copy trader when you're not consistently profitable is the worst idea that you can do, because now you're just exponentially, you're just going to make your losing worse. And if you can't do it on one account, I can assure you, you will not be able to be profitable on 10 accounts copy trading at a time. So that's my biggest thing that I've learned is just, I was trying to probably a little bit too much influenced by other YouTubers and, people that have, even now, even though I have 16 funded accounts now. Even though I have 16 funded accounts, I don't use a copy trader to copy trade them. I trade them one at a time. And since I've started doing that, that's how I've been being able to get payouts. I mean, my payouts aren't crazy. It's nothing crazy, but it's at least better than nothing. And a large part of that is just because I don't copy trade all my accounts. For example, if I would have been copy trading my accounts yesterday, I might have deleted my whole channel yesterday if that would have been the case. So that's why I don't do it. I know myself, and I know that about every 5 to 6 weeks, I have a tilt session, and I will literally, it's like me and a bull in a china shop. It's like a bull in a china shop. I will not stop until everything's destroyed. And as long as I do that, as long as I have a history of doing that, I'm not responsible, and I'm not a good enough trader to be copy trading 20 accounts. Just not happening. That would mean Design has to start a channel. But even if you want to act, like, for example, like right now with the $85 lifetime fee, that's not obviously, whatever your financial situation is, but right now is a good time to activate funded accounts. That's okay, but don't copy trade all of them then. You can activate accounts, but you don't have to copy trade all of them. Cycle through the accounts, especially with an $85 lifetime fee. There is zero reason to be rushing payouts. Forget about the 10-day trading rule. Forget about that. Just focus on making $100 a day per account. Once you've made $100 in one account, go to the next account. There's no reason with a lifetime fees to try to be getting a payout in 10 days. It's just not a good idea. Hey, Carolina, how we doing? How much am I withdrawing when I'm above the 6,500 cushion? I'll withdraw what is it? How much can I withdraw with the 250 account? I think it's 2,750. Or is it 3,000? No, it's 3,000, isn't it? So I can withdraw 3,000. Basically, this account that we're now, the new streaming account, until I go on tilt again. But we are $1,200 away from our profit threshold, and then we can take out 3,000. Anyone who hasn't made a payout window, how much money have you put into this way of trading, Kraken? Oh, man. I know at one point I was down bad. Every few weeks. Nice, Richard. Good to see you, Richard. Can I say I have the market figured out with 26 trading days? Hey, yes, UCLA, you can say that, and then the market will come and smack you right in the forehead. It'll come smack you right dead center in the forehead and you'll be knocked into next week. So be very careful with what you say about the market. I have learned that the market takes things very personal. You start to think you've figured out trading, you tell your friends, you tell anyone, you even think it, and the market knows, and it'll just rip you to shreds the next day. So just be ready. That's all I'm saying. Just be ready. Why do I get... A living example of that? Oh, man, this market. Again, we just tested the 20,000 level, and now we are about to pull back 100 points. This is where, for me, I don't know. I don't know how I get better in trading with this kind of price action. I think the bigger thing is just when I just need to know when not to trade. Yesterday, like, so part of the reason I rewatch my streams, I almost always rewatch my streams when I go on tilt because that's how I learn the most. And I always, the most important part of when you go on tilt, for me anyway, is not when you're on tilt, because that doesn't even matter. Like what I did on tilt, it's like throw it out the window, doesn't even matter. But what happened that got me on tilt is what is important to me, because now, like, I need to file that away in my memory bank of what did I do that put me on tilt, and going forward, is there something I can do to avoid that happening in the past? Last week felt like a movie, bro. Yikes, Richard. Yeah, Expander 4. I mean, he's honest to an extent. That's the problem. Like, he will admit that he makes most of his money outside of YouTube, but he also is always only showing his big profitable days and then promoting his course. So the new traders, if you just look at the channel, look at his channel, look at the thumbnails, look what he's posting, any new trader that doesn't understand reality looks at that and is like, wow, this guy must be the best trader on YouTube. And not knowing, I mean, I have more in payouts than he does so far this year. So that's where it's a way to get the new traders. It's a way to get the new traders to buy a course. That's all it is. But hey, I guess we all got to make a living somehow, right? Here we go. We're below the 900s now. Joke's on you, market. I'm not in a trade. Haha, keep going down. See if I care. January 11th, I've unlocked 18 PAs over 300 evals, usually 10 to 20 at a time. Yeah, Kraken, like that's where you can run up evals really fast if you're copy trading them together. I mean, again, it's your money. You can decide what you want to do, but one thing that really helped me is just to slow down, It feels like there's a race to a payout where you just really need to slow down. Because if you're just, and this is kind of me not doing as I say, because I do YOLO some evals sometimes, but if you're struggling to get a payout, I think it is really important to use those evals as a training exercise. Trade those evals and pretend like they're a funded account. It's going to, your cost is going to slow down significantly, and you should actually be learning more if you're just taking it slow on the evals. You don't have to pass an eval one day. You can take 30 days or whatever, however many days you want to, but sometimes better to take it easy. But I know it's easier said than done. All right, are we going to just, let's look at the 4-hour chart. This was resistance right here at the 20. I had this drawn pre-mark. Now we're getting close to this EMA, which it has, so far it has held. So maybe the 850s, something like that. We've also got the low of the overnight, which I always feel like is an important level here at the 865s. We'll wait and see what she wants to do. Right. Kind of at a point where I feel like we can potentially look at taking a trade. Make sure I have all my ATM strategies correctly. I was messing around with this yesterday, trading an eval. Yeah, I'm kind of. Hey, good morning, Soul Search Gurus. How we doing? Start a channel. I'll just say I'm profitable and make money off everyone. To be fair, I watch a Patrick make 20K live on his personal account showing everything. Yeah, Peter L, I don't think, or I'm not debating that he can make money. That's not that I've never said that. I think Patrick actually is is a good trader, but I think he struggles with going on tilt like everyone else does. He just doesn't show that part. That's what I'm saying. I think he makes money, and that's the only thing you see. What you don't see is him blowing up, is him going on tilt. And that's why it's deceiving a little bit to the audience. That's all I'm saying. That's very true, Expander 4. Very true. I'm like Patrick. What is my best ATM? Oh, easily. My 22 ticks. 22 ticks take profit, and I'll have a stop loss. It just varies. I just use, basically whatever the market structure kind of is, but whatever support resistance is at, previous candle, high, low. But 22 ticks is what ATM I use 90% of the time. What you don't see is another screen who took the opposite end of this trade so he could show a win. Yeah, John, but the other thing that drives me crazy is like this is a pet peeve of mine, absolute pet peeve of mine, is when not like when anyone in the YouTube space, they upload a video and they call it a live trade, but it's just an uploaded video of them taking the trade in real, but it's not actually live. Like there is a big difference between taking a actual live trade and being live and doing the live trade versus uploading a video of you taking a trade. You can't upload a video of you taking a trade and call that a live trade. That is stupid. That irritates me. So, it's false advertisement. And that he does that a lot because, okay, ask yourself this. He'll show like a, whatever $40,000 trade. Do you really think that video would have gotten uploaded if that trade would have been a loss? If someone thinks that, I got some oceanfront property I'll sell you in Arizona. Hey, Rob Moores, how we doing? Man, what a choppy mess. We had one clean break right here below the opening range low, but clean break below the VWAP. But man, since then, is this going to make the push higher? I will say this pivot point, the more I have it on my charts, the more I kind of make note of it. The pivot points there definitely seems to be some relevance, kind of like anything else. Sometimes the market pays attention to VWAP, some days it doesn't. But, and there's an ocean in Arizona. That's my point, Brad. Lake Mead. Oceanfront property. I'll sell them in the North Pole. That's the whole point of it. If you're willing to believe that, then you're also willing to believe that I have oceanfront property in Arizona that I could sell you. How many accounts I blow since with Apex? A lot. Too many. If I have a Discord, no, I do not. Yeah, it's a big dump, Matty Matt. It just doesn't look like it wants to reverse here. I think it would have reversed. It would have already done it. I think this is going lower. And there she goes. How much I've invested in evals versus payouts? Oh, man. I haven't done them. I did the math at the end of the year for my taxes. And at the end of the year, for one full year, I had around 30,000 that we were in. So I don't know where I'm at right now, but it's definitely not as much as last year. Was definitely not a good year for me. I was copy trading 20 accounts and I was copy trading evals. And I've definitely slowed down with my eval and I've slowed down, or I guess I maybe haven't slowed down is the right way to say it, but I've been able to keep my funded accounts longer and actually get payouts from them more consistently than last year. I'm actually on, so these 350K accounts, if we can get these 350K accounts to another payout, which we're already across the payout threshold, I just need to trade these. I mean, I think I only traded these for 3 days now. So I need to trade these for 10 more days, and then I can take out another 2,000, which would then be my third month of payouts. Which I was trying to think, maybe I should be more aggressive and really build a nice cushion. But I would have definitely done some things differently. You know, I definitely wish I would have done some things differently in the beginning of my prop firm journey, because there are definitely ways that you can minimize your investment from what I did. Like I went a little bit crazy. I went a little bit crazy, which, I mean, I have a well, or I guess I don't know. I am blessed with a good job that pays decent, and I thought I could just throw a lot of money at it and get payouts. Well, that doesn't always work that way. I just ended up throwing a lot more money away than what I actually needed, what I actually would have had to, had I just been taking the slower process and put more emphasis on screen time, taking it slow until I kind of at least somewhat know what I'm doing. I still don't get this confused with me thinking that I know what I'm doing now. That's not what I'm saying. I'm saying I know more now than I did a year ago. But I still got a lot to learn. As you guys saw yesterday. If you don't believe me, go rewind the stream. If you still have a job, do this full time. Partially, yes. Yes, I do still have another job, partially, but it's getting into yeah, that's a whole different subject and a different discussion. Yeah, exactly, Citizen Zero. Yep. Start with one and then scale up. Exactly. 100% agree. You can always scale up. It's kind of that trap. And I feel like, yeah, I don't know. It's just a trap. It's that thought of, hey, if I can do this on 10 accounts, and then you start multiplying, you start multiplying all your profits by 10, you start multiplying your payouts by 20, and then you start getting all kinds of dollar signs in your head, and you know how it is. That's the road I went down. Wow. Okay, guys, this looks like we're breaking up. We're breaking above. She ripping. Oh, I'm sorry, Orlando. Anyone remember a trading streamer back in the day called Cardinal Cash? Cardinal? No, I don't, but go in his chat asking where the 800 is. Don't do it, Isle Boy. I feel you need to put in a disclosure, John. Only ask that if you're okay with being banned. Don't do it. You know what's funny? I don't even really, at this point, I don't even really care about the 800, but it's so fun. It's so much, I get so much joy out of continuing to troll him with that $800 that it's actually more fun for him to not pay the 800 than it is to actually get the 800. Okay, is this the V shape? Did we put in the V shape? I know when to get in and when to get out of the market. The auto liquidate trigger gets me out. Mikey. Usually once you get liquidated, you blow the account. That is usually a great indicator of when you should then go in that direction. That's a great indicator. Yeah, that is too true. Yeah, it is Citizen Zero. I agree. I agree. Prop firms are banking on people trying to get 20 accounts, trying to pass in one day. You know, we can't fault the prop firms for, or I always felt this way, you know, we can't blame the prop firms for doing one day pass, for giving us big discounts. You know, we can't do that because, you know, it's still us. We it's our choice. If we decide, if we choose to try to pass an eval one day and then blow it, that's, we're playing into the prop firm's hands if we do that. So if we are responsible, then we're fine. Mike, Cardinal Cash is a friend. Start with 20, copy trade until be like me for only $499.99. Cardinal Cash. Yeah, I don't, doesn't ring a bell for me. Yeah, Jason. That's, yeah, exactly. Prop firms offer us an opportunity, but don't get it twisted. Prop firms, I mean, prop firms are there to make money. It's a business, okay? They are depending on they're basically just playing the percentages. You know, traders fail, 90% of traders fail. So that's the only, like, that's their business model. You know, and kudos to them. They're, you know, it's like, hey, they figured out that most traders fail, but there are obviously some that don't fail. And, you know, it's up to us to which category we go in. Giving you $25, and then when you put 1,000 of your own, you walk out, sleep under a bridge. Yeah. We live in a country that advertised DraftKings and Hard Rock, ESPN Bet. Yeah, I mean, dude, the DraftKings promotions. I mean, it's crazy. Since gambling has been legalized in most states, I mean, you can't turn around without seeing a promotion. It's crazy. The key is, I mean, if you just, oh shoot, forgot it. After the wife leaves you and you're broke. Yep. Look at this market. It looks like a down day. I'm still interested what we do here at the 60, at this level, the 64s. Are we just gonna rip right through it? Okay, here we go. Here we go. About to test this 865 level. Let's wait and see what happens. Four-hour chart. We're getting really close to this EMA again. Man, can you guys believe that we are literally less, we are 2 weeks away. No, is it? Yeah, we are 2 weeks away from the NFL season starting. That is crazy. For Nutty, for payouts requested 815 and 819, do you have an idea when Apex should pay if approved? So the money will go out on the 831. So the 31st is when the money will go out. Usually it takes around 3 to 4 business days to get into your bank account. So, but yeah, that's always how that's what I expect. Sometimes they do send it early, but I just don't expect it. John, very funny. Very funny, John. Browns fans get it. It's amazing that Browns fans still get excited. Hey, you know what they tell you? You know what I've been told is the best time to be a Browns fan is right before the season starts. Okay. Let's we still have not taken out this pre-market low, and I feel like we will. Kind of waiting for an opportunity. I'm looking for a short. Just don't want to get trapped in that V-shaped reversal. Ooh, Siwoo Kim is 3 under through 6 holes right now on the BMW Classic, BMW Championship. Very, very interesting. Tommy Fleetwood is 2 over. Will Zalatoris 1 under. Cameron Young 2 under. Nice. All right, this is I'm just waiting to see if a short setup will happen here. But I got to pay attention. Matsuyama hasn't teed off yet. It's just the earlies. Let's go, Brownies. Let's go. Here's Johnny. Hey, type a 1 in the chat if you're a Browns fan, okay? If you're a Browns fan, type a 1 in the chat. Everyone else, you don't matter right now, okay? I just want to know who the Browns fans are in here. Nice. Let's go, Black Coffee. You love to see it. Oh my. I knew you guys would do that. Come on. Come on, Browns fans. Make yourself known. Come on. There's got to be a couple in here. Thank you. Here's Johnny. Please, we're going to talk NFL on this stream during football season, okay? It's going to be a ritual. Unbelievable. We don't have more Browns fans than that? We got 2 Browns fans in here? Okay. Thank you, QQ. Let's go. We got another Browns fan here. And the crowd goes silent. LOL. LOL has that special meaning. Here we go. We are in. We got to take this. This is just a normal trade. No need to, we can do normal things today. If this is a loss, it's totally okay. We're not going to go on tilt. A loss is fine. At least that's what I'm telling myself. Just really need this to push down, keep pushing, target filled. Let's go. Neat. Come on, rip it lower. Don't rip back up now. That's like a well, I just realized I have the wrong ATM here, but should have kept the 22 ticks. Not sure why I didn't. Why? Looks like we might get stopped here on the runner. We're going to try and hold on. Technically, my stop should be right there. We could just kill it too. Still like a short. I like the short here. If we don't take out these lows, I mean, it wouldn't be the first time that we almost take the lows out, but we don't. Let's try and be patient here. Try to be patient. All right, come on, let's see some follow through here. Gotta see some follow through on this candle right here. Nah. I don't like that at all. Let's see what this candle closes at. Mm-hmm. Gotta get some follow through here on these pullbacks. Gotta sell through. I don't like that we keep getting bought up. Lots of wicks here. It's not good. But one nice red candle will flush this, I think. Nice red candle, and this will flush down to the lows. Come on, give me a follow-up. Follow through on this pull, sell-off, or flush it. Flush it. Hang on one sec. Well, hang on. I need to wait. Gotta have a push through here. Push it. Rip it. Flush it. Flush it. Come on. Come on, flush it. Flush it. Come on. This is... Okay. Okay, here we go. Gotta close to the... Gotta close. There we go. Now flush it. I might take it off here. Oh, man. You gotta be kidding. Now I don't like this at all. I don't like it. I don't like it. Come on, give me a flush. All right, I'll take that. Hang on. All right, we're back. All right, good start to the day. That was a little bit of... That took some patience to hold on to that one. Oh, wow, look at where we got filled. Oh, baby. We did it. We did it. That was a little bit of a painful trade, but we'll take it. Trailing drawdown not reset during the lifetime of your eval / PA. I'm not sure what you mean. Does it not reset? Your drawdown on an eval doesn't end, but when you have a PA, the drawdown is basically once you reach your profit threshold, the drawdown stops. Is FlexiTrade okay, John Adams? I would not trust him. But hey, I guess you need to do what you need to do. Oh, wow. There it goes. Now it's going to flush. See if we take out the lows here. Let's see if we rip to this. Look at the 5-minute chart, but a break below 875 is. If you wanted to short, not sure why you waited for so long to do it, Sean. I just don't like trading when the volatility is this high, so I was just waiting for the volatility to die down. I usually don't trade until at 10:15, 10:30-ish. All right, let's see if we take out these overnight lows here at the 865s. If we do, we could see a lot more of a move lower. We could see the 780s, 790s. Let's wait and see. I mean, like, it continues to the next day. Oh, right. Your drawdown continues into the next day. Yes. Yes. You got your sevens. You're done for the day. Come on. You guys are just trolling at this point. I know I say it right, okay? I even re-listened to myself say it, and I know I say it right. So I know you guys are just trolling, but it's okay. It's all right. Man, Siwoo Kim is lighting it up. Oh, there we go, taking out the lows. Definitely, I could have sat through a little more of pain right there to capture the full amount, but also kind of okay with it. Let's go, 443. Hey, no problem, Orlando. I know we all need it's definitely something to keep an eye on for sure. All right, I am now going to change to one contract with 22 ticks. I like that idea better. Might get a bounce here off the lows of the overnight session. I'm still going to look for shorts. Though. Just no need at this point to look for longs. Troll Nutty, I'm good. 2K on 20 accounts in one day. You're done for the day. Hey, that's not a troll. That's awesome. You've watched my stream in a couple months, maybe longer. Need my pillow sevens. Hey, whatever you need, man. Oh. Hmm. All right, here we go. Does look like I didn't even really trigger another entry short yet. I don't want to short at the bottom here. The price goes 2 ticks above my 2-hour take profit and then comes to take me out for 1 hour. Oh, man. Ugh. We haven't really seen that like bullish push higher. It's just been very slow move. This market is about buy the top, sell the bottom. Yeah, Win, I do feel like that's in the last couple days for sure. All right, getting a push now. This is our first kind of momentum that we're seeing to the upside. See if this sells off. Let's see if it continues to just pull back. It's barely even. I mean, this holding this trend line is holding very well right here. Let's see, we break above it. I kind of like a long here. I kind of like it. I might take a stab at it. Going against the trend a little bit here. That was a terrible fill. Oh, that was terrible. I did not want to get in there. That was so bad. I might just go close this. Ugh. That was so. Man, I just got to be okay with the result here. That's a terrible, terrible fill. Come on, fill me. Come on. I was one tick away there. I don't know how I didn't get filled. I was literally one tick away. That's frustrating. Hmm. Now it would. Now was that was. I was literally. I don't know about that one, man. I don't know about that one. Definitely. I just missed it. It was a terrible fill. That's really what did the trade. That's what cost me. A bad fill. If I get a good fill there, my profit target would have been hit. No problem. It's okay. It's all right. APEX requested you to film 3 days of trading a month ago. Oh man, Benjamin. That's I mean, they do. There's a reason that. I mean, there is a reason that they need to see that. I mean, but that does suck. I'm not gonna deny that does suck. But I would. I'm good. Just, I mean, that was just a bad feel. I should have been a little more patient on my entry, and then I would have been fine. And I was just a little. It's just a bad feel. Sometimes that happens, and then I didn't get my take profit hit by one tick. One tick. You always think it's gonna go that extra tick, but it sometimes doesn't. And now we're going back up. Wow, look at that. Now I'm. Mm-mm-mm. Man. Man, that's so rude. So rude. Man, I do like the longs. Come on. All right, market. I'm just going to give it a little moment. I'm giving it a little time. Give it time to breathe. I do like a long now. So I'm going to just wait. Hopefully get a little bit of a pullback here, but I don't want to chase this close to the top. We all know how that usually ends. Holding up really good here. I do feel like we're gonna keep going higher. Yeah, it's gonna rip. It's gonna just, it might just be one of those where it goes up and not give me any chance to get in. That's gonna get me a little frustrated. And here we go. It's gonna rip. It's just going very slowly here. And there it goes. We just need a pullback here, something where we can get in. Okay, maybe we get a pullback. All right, sorry, I've been ignoring chat. All NQ always moving like a rabbit. I know. Apex bots are watching the stream. Yeah, I know, right? We proved that yesterday. Didn't have the best day, but 2 emails are doing great. Good, good. How's the trading session? Okay, okay. Just could be. This stop out here hurt. This one right here kind of left a mark. A little bit too aggressive on my entry and then get stopped out. Then it goes to my target, blah, blah. You know the drill. So that part I did not appreciate. Okay, now we pull them back. Right here is where I would want to get in. I want to see a little more conviction here, though. Okay, never mind. I think we'll wait. Now she looking heavy. She looking real heavy. All right. That's why we wait. Lots of selling right there. Man, right there would have. Guess maybe we need to maybe just look at shorts, possibly. Glad I was short and stopped out at 9:10. No, you said that too soon, design. Big pull down, big pullback here. This is way bigger pullback than what I want to look for. I don't know. We might, this might go make new lows. Yeah, I think it will. She gonna rip it. She ripping. She ripping. It's I'm just gonna wait now. We are just gonna wait. All right, we are about to make new lows. Hold on, boys. She ripping. Ooh. Black Thursday loading. I don't know about that. Nice design. Okay, now we did not make new lows. Now we're getting that rip higher. And boy. No, I don't know. I don't want to. I'm not going to jump in this. Still feeling kind of heavy here. How are you guys doing today? Hey, Che Trades TV, thank you. Hope it goes well for you as well. How is everyone trading today? Up, down, all around? Really curious if this is going to make new lows or not. 3 out of 4 and you're out. Chop suey up today. Let's go, Stephen D. You're long gold. Good luck scalping my way into fee oblivion. Let's go. Still waiting. No trade yet. That's fair. Blue all PAs, Saral. I'm sorry. That's not fun. Some green, some red, net 200. Yeah. Tight stop loss. Yeah, I'm gonna try to I need to just stay out of this kind of congested area. This is kind of a dangerous area right here because it's kind of a tempting long, but or I like a long, but this thing can just flush, and I hate being in those trades when it just gives me one of those red candles from hell. Up 600. Let's go. Let's go sit in zero. That's great. Couple range trades. Gonna call it quits. Yeah. Definitely feels like it could rip higher here, but yeah, there it goes. I think this is gonna try to make a nice move here, but I'm very scared that this is a little trap for the bulls, and now it's gonna flush it. If he wants to trap, this is where it's gonna do it. And look at that rip lower now. It's trying. It's the bulls are definitely trying right here at the 860, 870 area. See if they can get it. See if they can get it done. And it doesn't look like they got the bulls don't got what it takes. They don't got it. All my trades today on CL. Oh, okay. Oh yeah, today was crude oil inventories, right? You guys like trading crude oil inventories days? Yeah, now we gotta watch out for that dump. Here it comes. She wants to dump it. There it goes. Now, how much will this trap or it gonna rip lower? Man, it's tempting here to jump in, but she ripping down to the 840s. Crazy. Wow. That's what man, I wish I had I wish I could trade these breakouts. I felt almost like I felt really good about if it breaks below the 860s, we're going to see a nice dump, but I didn't take the trade. Lost 300K accounts yesterday. Oh, I'm sorry. Well, I know how you feel. I lost a 250K account yesterday. Oh, with 12K in profit? Oh, man, I'm sorry. Man. And now here we are at the 820s. It is ripping, man. The bulls are not, the bulls don't have what it takes today. We are now going through the EMA for the first time in quite a while, about 2 weeks. Whatever that means. Okay, we're down at the 810s. 810s. All right, now getting a little bounce off the 810. Did we make it to 810? Not quite. Almost. I'm definitely looking for shorts. Not gonna try to catch any bounce. Not worth it. At least there's an alternate universe where you double your profits and keep your account. let's just I like that. Let's pretend. Let's just pretend like that happened. All right, are we going to continue lower here? Looks like we might. Maybe we go test the pivot point down here at the 800s. And here we go, 810s. Testing 1 2, testing 1 2. Can it hold? Yeah, Matty Matt, it's crazy. We're in a bit of a sell-off today. Pretty crazy. We tested this 20,000 level and the market said, "You know what? I don't want no part of that 20,000. I don't want no part of it. I'm going back down." You waiting for the degen? Hey, if you don't see degen Nutty today, that's a good sign. Okay? The only benefit we do not need, if you see degen Nutty more than once a month, that is not a good sign. That is not a good sign. Wow, we have not. I mean, it's tried to bounce here a couple of times with no luck. This does not look good. I think we're going lower. It's hard to short down here, though. All right, maybe we make him a little bit of a move here. I just need to see a little bit more of a pullback here before I go short. It's just too... All right, here we go. If we go back and half opening day, that was going up. Oh. You know what I hate about this time of day? Looking at your chart and seeing all of the trades you missed, that made absolutely total sense. Yeah, right. Right. Yeah, I hear you, man. It's like, oh, right there, there. What am I doing? So true. Okay, come on, market. Go up so I can get a pullback, would you please? $865 is a good place. Yeah, I agree. I'm kind of eyeing this 860 area that I would be interested, but we might not even. This is just looking like it's going to give you these micro pullbacks, and it's very, very, very bearish right now. All right, let's see if the 810s hold. I think we're going to go test 800s pretty directly. I got to think we're going to go test that 800, right? Maybe not. The next area, if we don't hold the 800s, okay, here we go. 800s about to hit. There we go at the 800s now. I mean, 750s are probably the next in line, huh? The dip buyers aren't having a good time today. The dip buyers is not, it's not going well. Yeah, taking out yesterday's lows. It definitely could happen. Okay, here we go. 800s. It was trying to get a bounce. No cigar. We going lower. Just need to see a little more of a bounce to get comfortable with a short. Man, it's hard to short when it's all the way. It's hard to short all the way down here. But on days like this, sometimes, it doesn't take much of a pullback. Just get in, hold on, enjoy the ride. Oh, here we go. 85s, 84s. Just, man, down through the 80s. Wow. Man, it's tempting to chase this, but let's see if we go test that 750 right here, right now. We might. It's tempting just to short any little bounce we get. But I know I need to be patient. Just need to be patient. Gosh. I know if I jump in here short, it's going to rip 30, 40 points. We all just, it's not worth it. I'm just going to wait. Buy the dips, short the. Yeah. I just can't do it. All right, here's our little rip. Here's the little rip higher. Now, will it continue? I need a bigger bounce. We need a bigger bounce before we can just jump in here short. I just can't short on one green candle. Just can't do it. Oh man. Yeah, here we go. Yeah, right, John. I know that Tony, this top tick right here. It was. Oh, here we go. New lows already. 770s. Just like that. Market says we can go lower. Yeah, I don't need your participation. Man. Yeah, this is just gonna bleed lower. I kind of wish I would have just jumped in there, but And we're down 760s, 750s incoming. Lots of selling, folks. Lots of selling. There we go, 750s. There she blows. No problemo. Just a lot of, this is, $740s. Oh, I'm so itchy. I think I might have poison ivy. I mean, there's just no stopping. 740s. Here it is. Here it is. 740s. Wow. I wish I was participating. I wish I was. Do I just want to jump in here without? Just waiting for that overextended where this is going to make a big rip higher. I'm so fearful that it's going to happen when I jump in short. Ah. All right. Let's just watch the volume. Watch this. Patience, patience, patience. How are you guys doing? Man, it's been a sorry, I've been really focusing on the charts here, and I just see we get these little micro pullbacks and then just dump it. I just have a hard time. I have a really hard time jumping in on those. But right now, that's the play, man. Look at that. Look at this thing rip lower. Wow. 720s. Man, unbelievable. Crazy. Crazy. Right now, I'm honestly I'm pretty content to just be green. I'm pretty content to just be green. Man, the dip buyers are in severe pain. Here we go, 700s all the way down, 690s now. We're about to hit the 685s. Guys, It's official. Get the women and kids and abort. Get them out. Get them out of the house. This is a this is a crash. This is not a test. It's time to leave. It's time to abort. We are in full crash mode. That is probably your signal to go long. Yeah, they went through that 700 like it wasn't even there. Here we go, right at the 680s now, the pivot point. Another pivot point, but they don't care about pivot points today. Everything gets sold. Everything's getting sold today. You know, as soon as we go short, this is going to start reversing. Oh, I know. I know. I just need to go short. We're going to have a nice 50-point move higher, 100%. We all know how that works. We all know how that works, don't we? But right now, this is crazy, man. All right, let's see. Are we just going to keep ripping? Oh, there we go. Oh, hang on. It wants to give us a little bit of a fake out before we go. This is what makes me just want to jump in short and hope for the best. It's not a great strategy. Okay. Gosh, I can't do it. Hey, I see 2 green candles. This is a time to. Oh, see, now it's like, where do you short? It's we could easily make a move up to the 740s. That's how crazy this market is. Right here, this is my fear. I just can't take that trade short for this reason. Man, do I. Please don't just rip lower now. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. I just don't know. I don't know. I don't know, man. I might need to just call it here. It's giving me anxiety by not pulling the trigger, and I just feel like I'm going to do it one of these days, and then once I do it, then it's going to give me that V-shaped reversal. I am I am deathly scared right now of that V-shaped reversal. Hmm. Look at that. Mm. I was tempted to take profit before the target, but after the target reached out, I regretted not staying. This is Eric. People are saying buy. Black Thursday seems now more realistic. It does, Stefan. I do agree. You called it. Oh, I just can't do it. Oh, I'm so. Uh, I hate it. I hate it. I hate it. You shorted and close your eyes. Hey, nice trade. If you shorted, close your eyes. This is the what dreams are made of. Short and walk away. We are at a 200 point move lower in a very short amount of time. All right, we're seeing Okay, we kind of got a little interesting here. If we make a move above this 700 level. Yeah, man. Maybe now this is, I hate to say the V shape. I hate to even say it, but oh, see that rejection there. Ah, wow, this market's giving me anxiety. I mean, this is, I should be shorting here, but I'm so scared. Feel like the longer this takes to get a move above the 720s, the more likely we're going down lower. Yeah, see, this has the makings of going higher. She got the makings of ripping. I do not want to get in the way. Just don't want to do it. Man, I'm so glad that I was patient there. I was so close to pulling the trigger short. Oh, feels like a win. Here it goes. Now the question is, there's obviously some profit taking happening here, but how much is this going to go? If you want a long, wait for higher, and yeah, I want to wait for a pullback for sure. I mean, the first thing it needed to do was get above this 720, but it needs to hold it. If this closes down now, then I don't like it. It's got to close nice. This candle is going to be important. This is a big wick. I don't like it. Yeah, see, this is not good. I don't like this. Technically, right here, I should take a short. Gosh. Oh, I'm not going to do it. I just can't. God. I actually need to end. I need to stop trading for the day because this is gonna give me FOMO. I can already feel it. I can feel it coming. Please don't go lower here. I want it to rip. There we go. Do it. Rip it higher. Don't make me feel bad about not entering here. Oh, yeah. Come on. Just rip it higher. Do it. Do it. Do it. And then I'm going to walk away and I'm going to be fine. No, don't go lower. No, 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 no. Oof. Yeah, here we go. All right, I feel good. I think actually I think I'm gonna walk away. I'm actually gonna walk away here and just call it a day. Really not much happening. Still a little bit sad about this trade, but after yesterday, I'm totally cool with just having a very calm day. I'm totally okay with that. So all right, guys, I am going to call it. I'm walking away and I will be back tomorrow morning. I hope you guys all have a great day trading. Hope you all stay green. Take care and